good morning. We'll start the second part of the topic polynomials, and here we'll do mainly one important concept, synthetic division, and another important concept, Taylor's theorem. Now, if we think about the synthetic division, so our first recall is about synthetic division. Synthetic division. So one thing we just notice when we'll divide a polynomial fx by x minus alpha. So on that case, by division algorithm, there exists a quotient qx and the remainder is basically r. So we have seen that when a polynomial fx is divided by x minus alpha, the remainder can be obtained readily without going into laborious process of division algorithm. So আমরা যদি এখানে division algorithm use করি, sometimes for finding the remainder it will be very laborious. So that's why we try to develop here one simple method of obtaining quotient when qx is divided by x minus alpha. So under synthetic division, first important note is synthetic division is a simple method. Synthetic division is a simple method of obtaining the quotient that means qx when fx is divided by x minus alpha. Also here we can obtain the remainder. So and also the remainder is easily obtained. So that means synthetic division এমন একটা মেথড যেটা দিয়ে আমরা খুব ইজিলি কোশেন্ট এবং as well as remainder find out করতে পারি. Here we know the remainder is basically f of alpha when remainder is f of alpha, that we already know. This is another recall. When fx is divided by x minus alpha. But that is another way where we can find out the remainder as well as the quotient. Another important, this should be the advantage 1, and another important advantage, note 2, this is we can express a polynomial in x in x minus alpha. So we can express a polynomial fx equals to a0 plus a1x plus a2x square plus anxn as a polynomial in x minus alpha. As a polynomial in x minus alpha. So this is basically polynomial in x, and we can represent it as a polynomial in x minus alpha or as a polynomial in x plus h, where h equals to minus alpha. So this is another advantage of synthetic division. But how we'll make it? That method is basically called the synthetic division. So that means you have given a polynomial in x. From that you try to establish that is a polynomial in x minus alpha. So how is it possible? Is it possible with the help of synthetic division? With the help of synthetic division. So আমি synthetic division এর পুরো থিওরিটার মধ্যে যাব না, but we will do solve a problem how a polynomial in x can be expressed as a polynomial in x minus alpha, and from that problem you will understand what is exactly the synthetic division. Now start a questions. One important question. Question 1. Very important. This you can consider as an application of synthetic division. Synthetic division. The question is, you have given a polynomial fx equals to x to the power 4 minus x cube plus 2x square plus 6x minus 2. This is a polynomial in x. So find polynomial in x plus 2. Find f of x plus 2. This is your question. So that means you have given a polynomial in x. You need to produce a polynomial in x plus 2. So how you will produce a polynomial in x plus 2? How you will produce f of x plus 2? First, you need to think about a polynomial in x minus 2. So, what are the steps? So, here, step 1. So, for finding f of x plus alpha, to find, step 1 is you need to write fx, step 1, given fx. So that means say a0 plus a1x plus dot n x to the power n. That you will write first. This is already given in question paper. Step 2, you will consider let fx equals to, we need to find out f of x plus 2. You will consider fx equals to a0. So here an minus 1 a0. So a0 x minus alpha whole to the power n, a1 x minus alpha whole to the power n minus 1 plus dot an x minus alpha plus an minus 1 a. And where a0 a1 an minus 1 an can be calculated by successive application of the method of synthetic division. Method of synthetic division. Next, step 3, what you will do? You will represent fx at a0 into x minus alpha whole to the power n, a1 into x minus alpha n minus 1 plus dot 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 n. And here you will put in position, put x or put interchange. Here you will interchange x by x plus alpha, and you get f of x plus alpha. This is equals to a0 x to the power n, a1 x to the power n minus 1 plus a n minus 1 x plus n. So this is basically expression for finding f of x plus alpha. Here the main thing is we need to find out a0, a1, a n minus 1 n with the help of synthetic division. So now we can start the solution. Step 1 is we need to write fx. So what is our fx? X to the power 4 minus x cube plus 2x square plus 6x minus 2. This is given. This is given. Okay. Now step 2, let fx equal, we find out f of x plus 2, but we will write fx equals to polynomial in x minus alpha, that means x minus 2. The highest degree is 4. So here a0 x minus 2 whole to the power 4, a1 x minus 2 whole cube plus a2 x minus 2 whole square, a1 x minus 2 plus a0. Then a0, a1, a2, a3, a4 can be calculated by the successive application of the method of synthetic division. Method of synthetic division as in the following that means কিভাবে আমরা সাকসেসিভ ডিভিশন সিনথেটিক ডিভিশন অ্যাপ্লাই করছি এবং সেটা দিয়ে আমরা a0 a1 a2 a3 a4 এই কনস্ট্যান্ট গুলোকে আমরা ডিটারমাইন করতে পারি। Now what we will do in this method, first we will write all the coefficients of the polynomial from highest degree. So here x to the power 4, the coefficient is 1, x cube, the coefficient is minus 1, then x square coefficient is 2, then x coefficient is 6, then constant, this is minus 2. First you will write, and now we'll think about we'll produce f of x plus 2, f of x plus alpha. So the question is, I will ask one question, what is alpha? So here alpha is basically 2. So that alpha will write here. And you will get a particle. Okay. So after that what we will do, you will write this 1 is here 1. Next 2 into 1. 2 into 1. 2 into that 1. 2 into 1. This is 2. You'll write here. You'll add minus 1 plus 2. This is 1. Again, right here. Again, 2 into 1. This is 2. 2 plus 2 is 4. Next, 2 into 4. You will write here. This is 8. Next, this is 6 and 8, 14. So 2 into 14, that means 28. So this is basically 26. So this is the first way you need to calculate the synthetic division. Synthetic division is like this. Now, what you will do, you will just 26 take baad diye, then you will again start the same procedure. 1 is here, 1 that we have written here. So now we'll 2 into 1, this is 2. 2 plus 1, 3. This just in your case mechanical. So 2 into 3, this is 6. 6 plus 4, 10. The same way will apply. 2 into 6, 2 into 10. So this is 20. So 20 plus 14, 34. Again skip 34. So again we'll write here 1. 2 into 1. 2, write 2 plus 3, 5. Next, 2 into 5, 10. 10, so 20. Again, 20 baad diye dao, diye will write here 2. We have 1, 5, 10. Okay, so I'm writing the next page. Here 2, 1 minus 1, 2, 6 minus 2, 2, 2, 8, 28, 1, 1, 4, 14, 26. So 1 is here. 2, 6, 20, 34, 1, 2, so 20. Now 1 is here. So 2 into 1, 2. That is 7. Next one. So now what will be our A0, A1, A2 and A3, A4? That we need to determine. So this will be our A0. This will be our A1. This will be our A2, A3 and A4. That is determined with the help of synthetic division. So hence what is our fx? Our fx is what we have written a0 x minus 2 whole to the power 4. So a0 means 1, x minus 2 whole to the power 4. A1 that means 7, x minus 2 whole cube. A2 that means 20, x minus 2 whole square. A3 34, x minus 2 and A4 26. So that means our step 3, that part is done. Now we'll replace x by x plus alpha. So, and hence consequently what is f of x plus 2? Replace in position of x by x plus 2. So that will be x to the power 4 plus 7x cube plus 20x square plus 34. Here x plus 2 minus 2. So 2 minus 2 cancel. 34x plus 2 minus 2. 2 minus 2 cancel. 34x. So in this way, with the help of synthetic division, আমরা f of x plus 2, that means f of x plus alpha, এই টাইপের জিনিস লিখতে পারি। Okay. Now, say you have given, so this is one important problem, how you will write f of x plus 2. So another important problem is here, next question 2. Very, very important. How a polynomial in x can be written a polynomial in x minus alpha. So here the question is expand fx equals to x to the power 4 minus 4x cube plus 3x square plus 3x plus 7 as a polynomial in x minus 1. So now we'll write the algorithm steps. Fx equals to a0 x to the power n, a1 x to the power n minus 1 plus n minus 1x plus n. How you will expand fx as a polynomial in x minus alpha. How you will do? First you need to decide step 1, write fx and alpha. What is fx and alpha? Step 2, we'll apply synthetic division method. And write fx a0 x minus alpha whole to the power n, a1 x minus alpha whole to the power n minus 1 plus n minus 1 x minus alpha plus n, where a0, a1, n are need to be determined with the successive application of synthetic method. Okay. So here we have done the polynomial in x minus alpha. So that fx is basically polynomial in x minus. So now we'll move to the solution. How we'll solve it, this kind of problem. So what is fx? So write fx equals to x to the power 4 minus 4x cube plus 3x square plus 3x plus 7. And what is alpha here? Alpha is x minus 1, so alpha is basically 1. Now we'll apply the synthetic division and we'll get the a0, a1. So here let fx equals to a0, as degree is 4, so x minus 1 whole to the power 4, a1 x minus 1 whole cube, a2 x minus 2 whole x minus 1 whole square, a1 into x minus 2 plus a2. So while a0, a1, a3, a4 are can be calculated by successive application of synthetic method. How will do? We'll write the coefficient here. X to the power coefficient 1, then minus 4, x square coefficient 3, x coefficient 3, the constant is 7. So what is our alpha? Our alpha is here 1. Now you will write 1 here, that 1. So 1 into 1, this is 1. So 1 plus minus 4, this is minus 3. That method is called synthetic method. 1 into minus 3, this is 3. So 3 plus minus 3 minus 3. So 3 plus minus 3 is 0. Then 1 into 0 is 0. So this is 3. And 1 into 3 here. So that means 7 plus 3, this is 10. Now 10 take baad dao, 10 take. Then again we will apply next again synthetic method. So 1, write here 1. Then 1 into 1. Change the color. So 1, 1. So 1 plus minus 3, this is minus 2. Next 1 into minus 2, minus 2. Now this is also minus 2. And 1 into minus 2, so this is 1. Again, remove 1 here. So 1, again, start. So 1 into 1. 1. So 1 plus minus 2 is minus 1. And 1 into minus 1, this is minus 1. So minus 3. Okay, so minus 3 baad diye, then 1. So now 1 into 1, this is 1. So 0. 1. So now we'll move backward. So this is A0, this is A1, this is your A2, A3, and this is your A4. So now we'll write fx with the help of synthetic division. So what is our fx? Therefore, fx equals to A0, that is 1 into x minus 1 whole to the power 4 plus A1, 0 into x minus 1 whole cube, 0 into x minus 1 whole cube, plus A2, A2 means minus 3, so minus 3 into x minus 1 whole square, plus A1, A3, okay, sorry, this is A3, A4. So A3 into x minus, so A3 into x minus 1, that will be x minus 1. And A4, A4 means 10. Okay. So I will write it. So that implies f of x equals to x minus 1 whole to the power 4 minus 3 into x minus 1 whole square plus x minus 1 plus 10. So which is a polynomial in x minus 1. So our answer is done. Now the question is how you will find out the quotient and remainder with the help of synthetic division. So now we come to the point. Okay, first you have given the homework. In similar way, so you have given here one homework. You will try. নিজে করবে এটা express x to the power 5 minus 5x to the power 4 plus 12x square minus 1 as a polynomial in x minus 1. So with the help of synthetic division, you can express the polynomial in x as a polynomial in x minus 1. And here you have given the assignment homework that you will perform. If fx equals to x to the power 4 minus 3x cube plus 10x square, then find f of x plus 3. So these are the two exercises you must solve in similar way. Now question 3, how you will find out the quotient and remainder with the help of synthetic division. How you will find out quotient and remainder with the help of synthetic division. So now the question is, this is the question. This I have taken from exercise 4 SK Mapa book, classical algebra. So this is 2-1. What is asked? Find the quotient and 2 say 2. Find the quotient, and remainder when 2x to the power 4 plus 7x cube plus x square plus x plus 4, this is divided by 2x plus 1. This is divided by 2x plus 1. This is your question. Now, how to solve this kind of problem? So now we come to the solution. You can solve with the help of remainder theorem, but here with the help of synthetic division, we'll solve it. So here, if you think about 2x plus 1, we can write 2x plus 1 into 2 into x plus a half. So what is our alpha? Just you'll think about some constant into x minus alpha. So what is alpha? Alpha equals to minus alpha. So first we'll write here what is our fx. Our fx equals to 2x to the power 4 plus 7x cube plus x square plus x plus 4. So now we divide fx by 2x plus 1. So what will be the synthetic division? Synthetic division is as follows. So what is your fx? So your fx is 2x to the power 4 plus 7x cube plus x square plus x plus 4. So we'll write 2, 7, 1, 1, 4. What is our alpha? I said alpha is minus half. So alpha is here minus half. So 2 is here. Minus half into 2, that is minus 1. So minus 1. 7 plus minus 1, 6. Minus half into 6, this is minus 3. 1 plus minus 3 is minus 2. Minus half into minus 2, minus 1. Minus 1 plus 1, 0. Sorry, this is plus 1, 2. And minus half 2. This is minus 1, means 3. So synthetic division is done. So 3 is the basically remainder, and other part plays the important role for quotient. So what will be the quotient? Your quotient will be here, start from this, that side. So 2 plus minus 2 into x, then 6 into x square, then 2 into x cube. This is quotient. But okay, you will see here. So when we have represent 2x plus 1, it's 2 into x plus half. That a is here, or you can, a is here 2. Okay. So what you will do, will divide it by a. So if you do it, that will be half into 2x cube. This will be the quotient. And what will be the remainder? The remainder will be 3. So you have asked another question. Find the quotient and remainder. This question is very, very important. Find the quotient and remainder when x to the power 5 minus 4x to the power 4 plus 3x cube minus 40x square minus 20x plus 41 is divided by x minus 5. Here we can apply the remainder theorem, or we can just divide it. No, we will do here the synthetic division. So what is here fx? So here fx is x to the power 5 minus 4x to the power 4 plus 3x cube minus 40x square minus 20x plus 41. And what is here alpha is basically 5. Okay. So just to compare x minus 5 with x minus alpha. So alpha is basically 5. So now we'll apply the synthetic division. So synthetic division is very helpful for calculating the quotient and the remainder. First, to write the coefficient x to the power 5, then x to the power 4 minus 4, then x cube coefficient 3, then x square coefficient minus 40, minus 20, 41. If there is, say, x is not present, so on that case the coefficient will be 0. Here x is present, the coefficient is minus 20, we'll write minus 20. So all the coefficient you will write পরপর এগুলো কোফিশিয়েন্ট গুলোকে লেখো, then what is your alpha? Your alpha is 5. We'll apply the synthetic division, so we'll write 1 here first, then 5 into 1, this is 5, so 5 plus minus 4, 1, and 5 into 1, 5, so 5 plus 3, 8, 5 into 8, 40, it is basically 0, then 5 into 0, 0, so minus 20, 5 into minus 20, so this is minus 100, so minus 59. Okay, now we come to the point quotient. So what is quotient? The quotient qx will come to backwards. So you write minus 20 plus 0 into x plus 8 into x square plus 1 into x cube plus 1 into x to the power 4. So that means your quotient is x to the power 4 plus x cube plus 8x square minus 20. And what is the remainder? So remainder is r. This is equals to, this term plays the important role for remainder. So here remainder is minus 59. Okay. So it is very easy how to find out the remainder and quotient together. If you have asked only the remainder, যদি তোমাকে শুধু remainder জিজ্ঞাসা করা হতো, so r will be f of 5. So that means 5 to the power, by remainder theorem, 5 to the power 5 minus 4 into 5 to the power 4 plus 3 into 5 cube minus 40 into 5 square minus 20 into 5 plus 1. The main thing, it will take more time for calculation. But here if we apply the synthetic division, it will be very easy. Okay. So thank you so much. Please subscribe my channel.